Welcome to Itz Sirap. This is video number 2 in the Watch Me Work series for the bridal fashion show that I did. So this beauty here, I believe her dress was gold, had some gold in it or something like that. So we did a gold eye look for her. So just like with all of the other beauties, I'm going to do their face first. And for me, this was just easier. Of course, you can do the eye look first and then do the foundation. It's completely up to you. It's not really a right or wrong way. I am using my Itz Sirap Kabuki brush. You can get this and the glitter from my website. And I'm making sure that I get this in her skin really good, and this is definitely the brush to do that. And this beauty did not bring her own foundation, so I did use my Mary Kay foundation on her. And as a makeup artist, I believe you should have every complexion in your kit. You never know who or whatever. So this was very exciting for me. I actually came to this event as a vendor, and one of the makeup artists did not come, or something happened to where they couldn't make it. So they asked me to do a couple of the models. So me always being prepared, this was really exciting. It was a great opportunity. So I had a great time. Now I'm going in and setting this, and I believe I am using a banana powder. And I went ahead and set all of the areas where I applied that Mary Kay concealer. Then I went on to her eye look. And for her, I did the same thing with the concealer, carve out the brows first. And for my girls whose eyes are a little hooded, or I just feel like I just really need to get in there some more, I like to put my thumb on the brow or the lid and kind of lift it up a little bit so that I can, really get in there and blend away like I need to, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing here. If y'all are not following me on Instagram, I need y'all to go ahead and do that. My name on Instagram is Itz_Sirap. So go ahead and follow me, y'all. I feel like I post on Instagram more than I post on Facebook, but I do post on Facebook a lot. So all of my Facebook links are in the description bar, so you can click on it and like my pages. You can join my different groups and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, go ahead and join all of that. So since she was wearing gold, I did go in with a gold eyeshadow first to you know, kind of cut the crease and give me that gold base, and then I went on top of it with my Itz Sirap glitter in the color gold. And here I can see that glitter is popping, okay? Popping. If y'all have been with me since the beginning, I do have 2 glitter collections. I have one that's a bit more chunky and this new collection that is finer. So with my glitter collections, with both of them, you can use them for your eye makeup, you can use them on your lips, you can use them in your nail art. They are completely versatile. That's why I didn't want to call them nail glitter or makeup glitter. It's Sirap glitters, okay? So the first collection that was released a while ago, it is not on my website at the moment, but it will be again very soon. I have to repackage it and all of that good stuff to carry the Itz Sirap brand. If you have been with me since day one, you will know that I had to you know, rebrand my business and all of that. So that's what the first collection is going through. So what I'm using on these ladies is the glitter from my second collection, which is my fine glitter. So for this beauty, I use my blush and contour to kind of warm her face back up after I set it with that banana powder. And this palette that I'm using is from Acne Labs. So if y'all want to check out my Acne Labs site, go ahead and click on that in the link. And as of now, I feel like Mary Kay has a wider range of complexions, and the Acne Labs products I feel like are better for my fair skin clients. So that's how I, you know, make sure that I have everything in my kit for every complexion. I use my Mary Kay, I use my Acne Labs, and I use other products that I purchased from this big makeup event that they had in my area. I had an opportunity to get a lot of great things. So I use all of that stuff to get beautiful, flawless looks. So here I'm going in on her brows. And I'm using the auto liner that I am absolutely in love with. Then I'm going in with a disposable brush to apply the brow powder where needed, and to just, you know, diffuse out and blur out and get that kind of natural looking brow that we want. If y'all want to see more videos like this where I'm doing someone else's makeup, go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know that, so I can continue to bring these videos to you. If you want to just watch me beat my face, I mean, we can do that as well. If you are on my Facebook page, which you all should be, I do go live on Facebook and do my makeup, and you guys have the opportunity to you know, give me colors and ideas and stuff, so you all get to put the look together with me. So if that's something that y'all are interested in, go like the page. Like and follow the page, okay? It's called Itz Sirap Beauty on Facebook. Type it in, like it, set the notifications till you want to see everything that I post. And when I go live, y'all will be right there with me. Y'all can tell me, do this color, do that color. Oh no, don't do that. Nope, don't do that. It's whatever. We all friends, you know, we all family. So it's just a great experience. Here I am adding the liner and the mascara. And if you guys want to know, like if y'all want like a detailed video on how I do my liner and mascara on my clients, I will do that. This is a little tip that I got from another makeup artist. Trying to do the mascara with the wand straight is a pain in my opinion. So the tip that she gave to like bend the stick was amazing. So I've been doing that ever since. Now this beauty, her lashes, when I tell y'all, she didn't need no fake lashes. Her lashes were everything. But her lashes turned downward, so I did opt to curl them. Here I'm just going under the eye with a little brown shadow. And you don't have to add shadow on the bottom lash line. For this look, I just wanted to, so it's a preference. Here I am lining her lips and applying a gloss. And for most of my clients, I prefer a gloss. Some I will do like a liquid lipstick and then put a gloss over it. I just think a gloss is just amazing, but I like that for myself as well. If someone asks for, you know, a matte lip, then of course I would give it, but I prefer gloss. So this was the finished look. Very beautiful, flawless finish all day, every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you come back to watch more. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.